Okay, I'll just show you how to play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Mercedes Benz CLA. So what we do, we go to music, or it used to be called iTunes, may still be called iTunes, but the update now calls it, let's just go back, as tears go by, we'll do the Mercedes Benz record again. I'll turn that down, but now then, that at the moment it's not showing the Mercedes Benz on it. Ray-Ban Stories, believe it or not, that's paired to my glasses. Now what we have to do, we'll go back, we'll go to media, so this, we'll either click the store or media here. I'll click media there, and you'll see there Mercedes Benz Bluetooth has come up. There's a tick next to it. That's playing, turned up. I'll go over to the system, turn it up.
Oh Lord!
So that's it. That's how you play music.